Hey, welcome to the almost middle of April. It feels like we're into truly the second week of April, and I hope things are going well. A couple things for you to think about today. Number one, have you taken the time to reflect on quarter one and how you did, and think about how you're going to do better in quarter two and make it a better quarter for you in terms of your work, yourself, and your life. Remembering that yourself and your own resilience and taking care of yourself is taking care of the energy source that makes you thrive at work and have a great life too. So what is your plan for your own resilience and your own growth so you can be the best version of you? Will be a link below to access our master plan tool, which has a quarterly review and quarterly reset. And if you haven't already, take a half an hour to really think about that and go through what did you do? Learn a little bit. Let's do better next time. That's the first thing. Second thing, in the newsletter today, what you'll find is an article called No, 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 and then Yes, Yes. And it's about change and how hard it is to get people to change and how you need to appreciate the resistance in the early stages, as it'll help you to improve your ideas and be representative of all the other issues that there might be when you go to roll out whatever change you're rolling out. And as leaders, we are constantly supposed to be at least creating change and leading change. But understanding, and I talk about this in this blog and reference the book by John Cotter, Our Iceberg is Melting, and how powerful it is. So you can take a look at that. And then on the podcast this week, we get into how you should build your business like you're never going to sell it. If you build a business with the idea you're going to flip it fast, sometimes you won't engineer the right systems and tools and make those investments that will really pay off, because odds are you're going to be doing it for a while. Even if your plan is to sell it, you should build it like you're going to keep it forever, because it makes it a stronger machine. Likely you'll build a stronger team, and that makes it more enjoyable for you. But then, it could have a nice effect on your valuation if you're going to sell a prime asset. So something else for you to think about. And then the last thing is around mental endurance. And we know this COVID thing has been going on for a while, and people are getting tired of it. And in some cases, things are settling down. Other parts of the world, things are rising up, like here in Canada. But what do you have to do to maintain your own mental endurance and belief that no matter what happens with this crazy thing, and as we're experiencing this hammer and dance we talked about over a year ago, what are you going to do to make sure that you continue to thrive no matter what? Whatever gets thrown at you, if everything goes away or if it doesn't, what are you going to do to maintain that mental endurance and focus on the long run, succeeding, and in the short run, thriving in terms of feeling good about what you're doing? So what would up the ante a little bit on your mental endurance, knowing that it could be a while? All right. Hope you have an awesome week and enjoy this. Please take the time to review how you've done and how you can make Q2 better than Q1 and better than any other quarter in the past, ideally. Have a great week.